Welcome back to Chef Super Chido. Today we got a simple recipe. As you can tell by that title, aguachiles. Just cucumbers, onions, shrimp, and a little salsa I made to go with it that's very, very spicy. So watch and learn, and don't get burned. Man, we're always wearing that Taco Bell shirt, man. You look goofy. Why am I wearing this shirt? Really goofy. It's how is it? So what? It's YouTube. He's not even cooking anything hot, man. It's just, I'll pay attention to this guy. So what? Like I said, watch and learn, and don't get burned. We're going to start by boiling 2 tomatoes. Now that these tomatoes are ready, let's put them in the blender. Now, put the tomatoes in the blender and about a handful of chiles. 1/3 of a cup of chipotle. 1/2 cup of water. About a tablespoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and let's blend away. Now for our shrimp, very simple. Just butterfly them and clean them out. That's it. We're gonna use 10 lemons or limes, whichever one you got in hand. For this batch that I'm making, I'm only using 3 cucumbers. You only see 2, but hey, I forgot one. Now, as far as chopping up the cucumbers, however you want, doesn't matter. And for the onion, we're using 1 whole onion. And these, you want to cut them in slices. Now let's just mix all of this up. Nothing crazy. Now let's add our shrimp. Our lemon juice should be about a full cup. And now our sauce. Then we mix it all together, let it sit for about 2-3 hours, and enjoy. Overnight's better though. And there you have it.
I like it a lot.
And just like that, we're done. Told you, simple recipe. You watch, you learn, and I hope this guy gets burned.
Oh, this thing's hot.
Yeah, I should have made more. Yeah, I only made enough for me and,
beer.
This guy already finished the whole damn thing, pretty much. Look at him, he's sweating. I want a beer. Well, hope you like this recipe. Again, something simple.
Should have made more.
You just want to have a beer with it, or, just for you and your relatives. So watch and learn, and I'm glad he got burned.